What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video, and I'm here to talk to you guys about a website. I did grab a couple of steals this morning, but kind of this morning. I think I grabbed one steal because I'm an idiot. But yeah, I did pick up some steals on some Adidas products. I kind of wanted to share that with you guys. This is the same website I purchased these from. I purchased these a month ago, and then they ran out of Adidas stock. So yeah, I grabbed these for $35. These are the Adidas Yall Zeros, and these are just fire. Such a fan of these. Haven't worn them yet because I don't know, just haven't worn them yet. I'm gonna throw these bad boys on. This is my third pair of Adidas Yall Zeros because I am a fan of these. Shout out to Bosco who did help me out with one of them. And yeah, these are bad. So I wanted to share this with you guys because I wanted you guys to be able to get some of the deals that I've gotten, and I'm pretty transparent. I've shared with you guys quite a few things. I did just order. I actually only ordered one of these. I totally forgot I already had one of these. So I did order one of these. But I also ordered an Adidas 22 slide. I've been looking for those. I've been looking for a great deal on those. Finally found them for hella cheap. You can see it right there. Got it for what, $22 was it? Like I said, got it for $26.40 plus shipping. Actually, plus tax. Shipping's free. I did order another pair of the Yall Zeros. I don't know. I'm gonna return it if you guys want. I don't know, but you guys, I'm gonna return it. It is what it is. But yeah, they do have a 30-day return policy and stuff as well. So that is why I'm good buying stuff from this website. I don't know about you guys, but especially with the social media, I've been seeing a ton of fake websites. I've been seeing a bunch of even ads on Instagram. I see a bunch of fake ones. I see a bunch of fake sites. I don't know who's real, who's not. I have a hard time telling. I'd never heard of Shop Premium Outlets before, so I had to do some research. Let's talk about that real quick. I did go to it's called shoppremiumoutlets.com, and that just, I don't know, something just didn't look right. They did use the Simon logo and that type of stuff, so I did look on the Simon website. When I did go to the bottom, I did see that they did have a link to Shop Premium Outlets, and that took me to the Shop Premium Outlets website. So that did make me feel really good. When I did go to the Simon website, I did go through Google. I didn't sit there and click on anything on the Shop Premium Outlet website because you just never know, man. You just never know. I don't trust any of these places, all these fake Chinese websites and all that stuff. You know, they'll try to establish legit websites to try to make it look real. So I just didn't trust any of them. But I did do some research, and I've ordered from them before, but I wanted to make sure this is legit before I share this with you guys, because I don't want to promote any fake sites or anything. But yeah, they do have quite a few deals. I did look around, and here's some of the best deals that I saw this morning. All right, let's start with the Adidas slides. I did find these Adidas slides. They had a few sizes left. They did have a few sizes left. The retail is $55 on these bad boys. I did get them for $44. Got another 40% off using code MDW40. And they always have different codes. So I check the website like every couple weeks or every week or so. I do check. But yeah, they did give me 40% off, so I ended up paying 27 bucks. These are $55 slides, so I did get them for 50% off. That's pretty fire. Did have a few sizes. They had Forum lows. I checked out these Forum lows right here. They were going for 55 bucks. Sizing is definitely an issue. Kind of similar to going to an Adidas outlet, going to a Nike outlet as well. You know, like sometimes they have sizes, sometimes they don't. All just depends on what's available. This is pretty much an outlet website, so you don't even have to go. Pretty freaking fire. You can find deals at home. Pretty dope. I saw these Tayshons. Tayshons are some skate shoes, and I do have a couple of pair of those. I grabbed one for hella cheap online. Did have them for $53. With these, they had plenty of sizes. You get another 40% off. I'm not a huge fan of the orange. They did have some black ones, but they were very limited in sizing. They had black and white ones as well. Very limited sizing on those two. If they did have different colors, I probably would have bought them. I'll keep my eye out on it. Keep my eye out on it. You know, other than Nike Dunk lows, pretty much any other skate shoes from any other company, as well as even from Nike, they don't really sell that well. I'm a huge fan of skate shoes because most of them look dope, and they usually use really good materials. Even sneakers such as Superstars, you can get them for hella cheap. They had these bad boys only in a couple sizes, $59. You get 40% off on top. NMDs, they had these bad boys for hella cheap. More Superstars that I saw on sale going for 60 bucks. Had a few sizes left. Remember, it is $60. You do get 40% off on top of that, so $36. You know, and free shipping, not too shabby. Stan Smith, they had these bad boys for pretty cheap. They had top 10s. Top 10s go for $36, not too shabby. They had a couple of more Stan Smiths. You know, they had these Ozelias. Apparently Ozelias are very popular. I don't think with the sneakerhead community, but just with the regular people, I guess they are pretty popular. They had boxing shoes. Rarely ever see boxing shoes like that. A bunch of Forum Lows. I am a huge fan of Forum Lows. They had these bad boys on sale. And then these Gill Zeros right here. Had a few sizes, $36. Not too bad. They also had these Forums right here going for $72. Kind of a Lakers colorway. Can't really go wrong with that. $72, you do get another 40% off. They even had these Forums right here. These are a collab. I looked it up, but I kind of forgot who they were. Had plenty of sizing in those. And yeah, it's normally $130. You get it for $75. You do get another 40% off. Not too shabby. They had plenty of other deals. I'm not going to go over each and every one of you. I just want to make sure you guys know about the website. shoppremiumoutlets.com. So I'm not going to go over every sneaker with you guys. I primarily just wanted to get you guys to know that, hey, this site is there. This site is legit. And they got some Adidas deals. They do have other brands, but you know, I saw some weird stuff. I think the specific brands send the shoes to Shop Premium Outlets and then they sell them. It might be a dropship program as well. I don't really know. But I did see some other companies, like they had some Nikes and stuff, but some of them were resale prices. Some of them were legit resale prices. And I'm like, really? Like, I didn't really understand that. But people get fooled online. So, you know, I'd stick to certain brands that you know. I think they have like Coach stuff. They have a bunch of other brands. But, you know, do some research on what it is. Do some price checking, that type of stuff. The site itself looks legit. But the selling, I don't know who's the one sending them stuff and stuff like that. So I would just make sure you look at it. Like I said, I did see some Nike products on there, but they were pretty much resale prices, which really didn't make sense. But yeah, as long as you stick to what you know, you should be good. Like I said, they have some decent deals. I saw some Gazelles on sale. I saw they had some Sambas. I saw they had some what is it, the Dawn Issue 3s. They had legit deals, 40% off all their Adidas stuff. So make sure you guys check it out. But yeah, man, I will definitely get the Adidas slides. I'll show you guys when I get those. I have another pair of these coming, I guess, too. I'll probably return those because I'm an idiot. I looked on the site and I was trying to see if there's like a cancel option. There really isn't. So I don't know. It is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hopefully this information is useful. I know this video is not even gonna get that many hits, but I don't know, I figured some of you guys would benefit from this information. I know there's a core group of people that do watch each and every one of my videos. I do definitely appreciate you guys, and I'm trying to get you guys as much information as possible. As I've mentioned many times in the past, please don't put a bunch of sneakers on your credit card and stuff like that. Don't use your credit card. Don't let credit card debt pile up. The economy is gonna get worse and worse right now. It's not doing well. It's gonna get worse and worse. If you do have a you know, if you have a little bit of money to blow on some sneakers, go ahead, get some of the deals that I've been finding. But don't put stuff on your credit card because, man, it's gonna get worse. And last thing you want is your credit score drop and, you know, everything to get screwed up and whatnot. They're just sneakers, you know. It is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys help a boy. Make sure you press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos. Got 2 videos today. 2 videos today. I should have a few other days when I drop 2 videos because I got a few video ideas here and there. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, I got plenty coming. Got a great video coming tomorrow regarding Nike clearance store. Got major changes. We're gonna talk about that. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.